Hi, Fiona. Hi, little baby. Hi, cutie. You were sleeping. You're a sleepy little puppy. Oh, the little cutie. Oh, the little cutie. Oh my goodness, what a cutie. He's so sleepy and cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Get this. That's a good girl. Oh, so cute. Can you sit? Do you know how to sit? Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Good. That's nice. Oh, cutie. Oh, the cutie. Do you want to play with this? Go get that little lamb. Oh, so cute. She says, no, I want the treats. Where's the treats, lady? There you go. A treat for you. And sit. Yes, good girl. She's smart. Break. Get that treat. Good girl. Hello, Kira. Hi. Hello, beauty. Oh, such a beauty. Yeah, such a sweetie. Good girl. Good girl, we're gonna go for a little walk. We're going for a walk. Yay, what a nice girl. Oh my goodness. Good girl. Oh, do you want to bring a toy with you? We can bring this toy with us. He's so cute. What a cutie. Let's go. Oh, super sweet. Let's go, Kira. It's raining a little. You don't like the rain? Come on, it's not raining. It's just a little wet. Come on. That's a good girl. Yeah, a good girl. What do you think, Kira? That's a good girl. May I? Thank you. Ready? Oh, Kira! Catch it. Oh, look at those eyes. Do you want this one? Little cutie. Is that your new favorite toy? That's the one? You want to bring that home with you? We can leave the fox out here. It's a good girl. Good girl, let's go. It's nice. We traded the toys. Hey. Here you go, Kira. That's nice. There, now you have a new toy. Yes, you have a new toy. I'm going to take your collar off here. Here, can I take that off of you, please? There we go. Good girl. Nice. You enjoy your toy then. We'll see after. That was different. Bye-bye. Hi, Tesla. You calm down? Yes, and then I'll come in. There we go. Hi, buddy. Oh, hi. Yes. Oh, you're very jumpy. Yeah, but that's okay. Here, I got some treats for you. You go get those. Good. That's nice. I know, it's very exciting, but ooh, just gonna... There we go. That's a good dog. That's a good dog. Yeah. Easy. Good boy. Nice, here, bud. Good boy. Yeah, let's go this way, buddy. Nice, nice. You see, you want treats? Get that. Oh, good boy. Here, Tesla. Good. Here we go. Get that. Oh, nice, buddy. Yeah, it's a good boy. Here we go. Ready? Can you catch that? Oh, he's good. He's good. Ready? Get that. Oh, my goodness. You're going to hurt yourself. You don't know how to pick it up. Oh, here. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that's a hard toy. Ready? Whoa. Whoa. Ready? Go get that. Good boy, Tesla. You had enough? You want to go in now? You even chew that? Here. Have some more. Good boy, Tesla. Good boy. See you after. You're a good dog, Tesla. Hey, good dog. Oh, this is Rusty. Hi, Rusty. Hi. Hi, little one. Oh, you're the cutest. You're awfully jumpy. Sit. Anyone ever teach you how to sit? I'll take just a polite stand then. All 4 feet on the ground. That's all. Okay, get this. Let's get this leash on. Here. Doing some circles. Oh, nice stretch. Here we go. There you go. There's another one. Look. Look, bouncy. Look there. The little birds, Rusty. Want to chase the little birds? Oh, there he goes. Here. Good boy. Here, get that. Whoops. Here. Want this? Oh my gosh, it's a cutie. Oh, the cutie. Yeah, get that. Here, get it. Good dog. Yeah. A little bit of tug. Oh, get it. Ready? Get it. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Rusty, do you know how to sit? Do you know how to sit? He doesn't know how to sit. Oh, the good dog. There you go, mister. Yeah, here's another one for you. Good boy. Oh my goodness, he's a good dog. He's a good little fella. He's a good little fella. Yay. Good boy. Here, Rusty. Rusty. You sit. He doesn't know how to sit. He doesn't like to sit. Oh, okay, here, go get that. Go get it. Sit. Yes. You don't sit at all. It's hilarious. I have no other way of teaching it to you. Unless I just wait it out. You have to put your bum on the floor. Well, I'm not a dog trainer, and I only know the one way to teach sit, which is to lure you or wait, and neither one's working. So, you win. You get those cookies over there. That's good boy, Rusty.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.